Alright guys, I'm about to do a house tour for you guys. And something real quick. So the first thing that you see whenever you walk into our house is actually just a little picture frame. It has all my best friends and family in that picture. And then on this side, I try to decorate a little bit for fall so you can see some fall decor with this really nice glass table. And then this picture we actually got when we were in Australia. So it's a very, very pretty. It's a painting. I love it. Very pretty. And I forget if that was New Zealand or Australia. I'm going to say it's Australia. Can't remember which one's which, or which one we got that from. The next thing, I did put a little fall flowers in here. This is where we hang the dog's leashes and just our mail thing. Actually, fun little fact, I actually made this, which is pretty cool. Did some hard work on that. So the next thing directly to the right is actually our office. And it's kind of like Kyle's office because as you can see, it is football themed out. So our desk, all that stuff here, he actually built that computer. It's down there, but he actually built that himself. And then just all his signed jerseys. We got football memorabilia just everywhere. I think that's Jimmy Garoppolo. I'm going to say it is. And then that I bought for him. And it is signed by Tom Brady, which he flipped out when I got that. He absolutely loved it. That is just like his old high school stuff and, little jerseys and stuff from when he was a kid and just a bunch of football theme. He's super into football cards. So this is the other side and that's little Kyle. I mean, look how cute he is. He was on a magazine cover when he was a kid. But this is kind of an overview. And he is from Cincinnati. So we got the Cincinnati skyline. But here's an overview. Got a lot of nice natural light in here. So this is a really cute filming room as well for him. And then those are just double doors to the office. So when you pass the office, you're going to come into our first living room. And we're just simple decorations here. I tried to decorate for fall a little bit. I think that was a family picture. He's had that in his family house for a really long time. And his mom ended up giving that to him. And decorated a little bit for fall. I absolutely love this. This is so cute. I think I got this last year. Just loved it. And then on this side, more fall decorations and our entertainment center. Fun little fact, I'm going to take this part out. Oh, I'm all pointing with my toe and you can't even see. I'm going to take this bottom part out and we're actually going to put a fireplace in there, like a fake fireplace. These light up, which is really cool. So those little things, they actually stay lit up. And it's really, really cute. And look at this little nest we found. We went thrifting one day and found like this little bees and this little nest. So cute. This is a picture of when Kyle proposed. You can barely see it because of all the glaring, but that's when Kyle proposed on the beach. And so we actually got a little, what is that thing called? Something terrarium. I don't remember. Don't make fun of me. But we actually got this, and that is some beach from the sand. Beach from the sand. That is some sand from the beach in Australia where he proposed. And then we have this little guy. We named him Harvey. So as you can see, our first living room is completely safari themed out. We have an open concept plan. So actually, let me take a little detour to the other rooms. These are pretty simple. This door is where we keep all of our cleaning supplies. This one is just, towels and all of that. Got our washer and dryer in here. And then our guest bathroom in here. Hi. Guest bathroom, and then we've got our guest room in here, and all of the rooms actually have a walk-in closet, which is pretty cool. Love that. And then this is actually our dog's room. We actually cleaned it out. We're like doing some hardcore cleaning today. So typically their kennels are going to be all right there. And then where their food and stuff is. But like I said, we cleaned it all out. And again, all of the rooms have walk-in closets. I guess cleaned a bunch of that stuff out too. It's pretty dark in that room. So now we're back into the living room, and then we're going to turn and open concept kitchen dining room area. So again, I did a little decor for fall. That's where our table is. And then this, I didn't really decorate the kitchen for fall because I like to keep it just clean and nice as possible. Don't really want a bunch of stuff on the island or anything like that. Kyle absolutely hates stuff on the island. We used to have those little jars like Khloe did, Khloe Kardashian, you know. I watched those videos where she had like the cookie jars and stuff on her island. Kyle absolutely hated having that much stuff on the island, even though it wasn't really a lot. So I had to take it down. Had to take it off because he hated it. So then we didn't even really decorate this part of the hallway, which is really sad. We could have put a picture or something here, but we didn't. This is double doors into our bedroom, which is blue. Blue is my fave color. So it's really just basic, you know, basic stuff here. Got a little TV, gentleman's chest, and then me, hi, our mirror here. This is actually, I mean, you can't really tell right now because of the light and everything, but let me see if I can close this. It's actually blue. Oh, it's because it's on. If I turn it off, it's actually blue, so it totally fits into the room. But when you turn it on, it's cheetah, which I thought was kind of funny. Doesn't really go with the theme, but I thought it was really cute. And then we have our master bathroom in here. I absolutely love this tub. It's huge. We've got a shower in here. And then this is actually all Kyle's closet. This is his closet, completely his, because I did my closet tour. You guys have already seen it. And so, yeah, that's his closet. I've got my own. So let's go upstairs. Upstairs, you hear my dog Archie barking. They're outside. I had to stick him outside because they were going to be running amok. And we have this little gate right here so that the dogs cannot go upstairs because they like to get into things and tear stuff up. So upstairs is our second living room. So there's the attic right there, so I'm not going to open it. But here's our second living room. Let's see if I can turn this on. Oh, I think I unplugged it. That's okay. So a little quick overview of how this looks. There we go. So this, I feel like I decorated a little bit more for fall. Put like little touches. Decorated a little bit more, I feel. And I have kind of like a boho vibe going on in here, I think. But I added a few little fall things. Got the candles going. I always have candles going. And I love to even mix smells, which might be weird, but it smells so good in here. You don't even know what it is. And I've got little succulents up there. And then just a little, sorry if it's really dark, but got my little salt rock. And then me. Pillows for couches. And I got some cute stuff there. I just decorated. It's purple, blue. Really cute. And then I threw a little bit of orange in there too, but I put it at the bottom. So, and then just our little pumpkins. And then this is where, actually I think the downstairs TV and this TV is the same size. I was going to say this is our biggest TV, but I think they're the same. And then my last little bit of pumpkin stuff. I really love lavender, so typically it's going to smell like lavender in here at all times. It's like a mixture of lavender and I don't even know. But here's the overview of our second living room. I feel like I picked most of this stuff out, so that's why I love this upstairs so much. It always smells good. I can actually have candles going because the dogs aren't allowed up here, so they're not going to get into it. And that's why I like upstairs so much. Also because it has my glam room, what we call it, which I'm just going to go really quick because you guys have already seen this. If you haven't, I've got a link down below. Or not a link down below, but basically it's in my videos down below. You can kind of see. But this is my closet up here. So the only thing I don't like is the fact that I have to actually go all the way upstairs. So when we move, which we are going to do soon actually, we have been wanting a house with a pool. So we are going to buy a house with a pool soon. Actually, it's already in the works, and we're gonna move. One thing we're gonna lose out on, here goes an overview from the top, from the stairs up here. One thing we're gonna lose out on is the second living room, so I'm gonna be getting rid of pretty much all of that stuff down there, mostly because we've had those couches for a really long time, and I don't want them anymore. It's really bold color, very, very pretty, but very bold. And I can't do as much. It's not neutral enough for me to do decor for it like this. You know, we've got the brown couches up here, even gray I might do, but I may keep these brown couches for a little bit. I feel like they go really well. It's easy to do more decor with a neutral color like a brown versus the red. So that's that. I hope you guys enjoyed it. That is our house tour. And yeah, see you guys later. I'm gonna go let my puppies in.